Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crystal World Life, and today I'm going to explain how we can easily remove this false nails. So earlier I used to use glue and it was very difficult to remove the false nails, but there are simple tips you can try and you can use remove this false nail easily and there will be no pain. It's just that you need to remove these nails gently. So I'm using this nail filer. So just try to, you'll find some gap, you'll just need to put the nail filer inside the gap and try to pull the nail smoothly, gently, and you can see that it will easily come. And the glue sticker might get stick on the nails, on the false nails, or maybe on the nails, so you need to remove it from nails and your false nails, and after that you can just normally clean your hand and it will be just like the normal nails. And you can reuse this false nails whenever you want. You just need to use the sticker on your normal nails, natural nails, and again use this designer nail on your natural nails. So you can also use a toothpick. Normally I use toothpick or I just remove from my nails only, but since I'm using a false nail, so it will be little bit difficult, so I'm using this filer. So this way you can remove this glue sticker as well. So you can see how easily I was able to remove this false nails. Hope you like this video. Please comment and like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Wait for my next video.